Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a daily planner using Monday.com. Whether you're an individual looking to organize your day or a team member striving to streamline tasks, this tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up a daily work schedule in just a few easy steps. This is especially powerful if you're running a Shopify store and juggling things like orders, customer messages, marketing, and inventory. Having everything in one place really helps you stay focused instead of reacting to chaos. First, we'll need to access Monday.com. So open up your preferred web browser and make your way to the Monday.com website. If you're already logged in, great. If not, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're inside, think of Monday as your digital command center. Instead of sticky notes, scattered spreadsheets, or reminders in 5 different apps, everything lives here and updates in real time. Now, as you land on the homepage, you're going to see a bunch of items and options. But let's focus on adding a new feature to your workflow. Over to the left side, you'll notice a plus sign. Click on that. This little icon is your entry point to expanding your dashboard with new elements. Once you click it, you'll be greeted by several different options. What we're interested in right now is the Template Center. So let's go ahead and click on that. Templates are great because they save time and give you a structure that already works, instead of forcing you to build everything from scratch. Inside the Template Center, you'll find a host of templates designed for various needs. To make your search easier, look for something that says Daily. This is where you'll find all templates related to daily scheduling and planning. After you locate it, go ahead and click on the Daily section. If you're managing Shopify, think Daily Checklist. Things like reviewing orders, checking abandoned carts, launching promotions, or following up on emails. Templates help you build routines around those tasks. Now you are presented with several templates to choose from. We're looking for the daily work schedule. Once you find it, click on it. This template is excellent for mapping out your daily tasks and ensuring everything's organized and efficient. You'll be able to see what needs attention first, what can wait, and what's already completed, which is super helpful when your day suddenly gets busy. The final step in our template setup process is to actually use the template. You'll see an option that says Use Template. Click on that button and voila! The template will now integrate into your dashboard, ready for you to customize according to your daily schedule and tasks. From here, you can rename it, assign tasks to yourself or team members, and start turning your to-do list into a clear plan. Remember, while using templates is a fantastic way to save time, they're flexible, enough for you to adjust and modify as needed. So feel free to tailor it to fit your specific requirements or preferences. You can add new sections, modify existing fields, or even remove parts you don't need. The goal is to create a planner that works for you, organizing everything from your meetings and deadlines to reminders and notes. For Shopify users, that might look like sections for product launches, content planning, customer support follow-ups, or weekly revenue goals, whatever keeps your business moving. That's it. Your daily planner is now set up and ready to use. You can log into Monday.com anytime to update your tasks, track progress, and celebrate your accomplishments. I hope you find this guide helpful in navigating your daily responsibilities more efficiently. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy planning.